Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the Banggood app review to see with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it to help you decide if this mobile app will be or can be a better option for you. So the Banggood app offers access to a huge range of affordable gadgets, electronics and accessories straight from international sellers. It's well organized, supports global shipping, and frequently features flash deals that can save you money on tech and lifestyle items. However, shipping items can be long, and some product quality varies across sellers. So in conclusion, the app worth using, especially if you are patient enough and you love hunting for budget-friendly deals, but you should be sure to read the review about a specific product before purchasing, and that's the best way to get the best out of this mobile app, which is Banggood. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more app review.